Okay, this tutorial is going to be about, um, we had the storyboard was the last lesson. This lesson is going to be about a little more specific type of storyboard-esque thing, which is called the timeline. So if you go to you should have something similar to that. If you just click the other, like the storyboard, it will go into timeline. What this does is it gives you a little more control over what you want your stuff to look like. If you look here, you have your video basically lane, your audio lane, and your title overlay. Your title overlay is going to be your credits, is going to be your words, is going to be just things like that that you're going to have over the top of your videos. If something has a plus next to it, it means you can have something that goes below it. Well, it could have audio down here, or it could have a transition somewhere in there. So that's where those things will be. Before, what the default was to each of these went to 5 seconds when we put them in the storyboard. If you want to go back to storyboard, just click this timeline and go back to storyboard view. But basically you would do everything in storyboard first, and then you would be able to see the different things, and then go into the timeline, and then you can tweak them a little bit and see how it how you want to change it. You can mess with the transitions, the audio, all that kind of stuff. But what we're going to do for this lesson is we're going to make each of these movie posters only be showing on the video for 2 seconds. Right now it's set at 5 seconds. So what you're going to do is you're going to when you go to the edge of a picture, you'll end up seeing this little click and drag to trim the clip. So if you're trimming it, that means you're making it smaller. So we're going to, you click it and then you drag it. You can kind of see down the duration is getting smaller, and there's my 2 seconds that I want. So your computers are going to when you do this, it will seem like it doesn't want to do it, but it will do it. Just be patient. So if you click this next one, same thing. Go to the edge, click and drag, wait till it changes to 2 seconds. 160, 203, 2 seconds. There we go. And click my last one, and make this one also 2 seconds. There we go. If it doesn't come out to exactly 2, if it's like 2 and a little bit like those other ones were, that's fine. But if you can get it to be that, perfect. So that right now when I replay this, it should be 2 seconds, switch, 2 seconds, switch, and the end of it should be 6 seconds long for the complete thing. So now, same thing I want you to do is I want you to publish the movie and save it as movie timeline 1. Movie timeline 1. And that's it.